Yo, what's up guys? Coming back at you with another quad video. Also another day just coming home from fucking work and staying in my work clothes and just working my ass off. Mowed the lawn, cleaned the pool, started cooking dinner. And yeah. My oh my, what have we done here, boys? So, pretty much my intentions are, I just want to paint the frame black again, which won't be too hard, just sand all that shit. I'm going to tape off the shocks. I know there's a little rust on them, but I kind of want to replace them anyways. I'm not going to do that right now, so those are just going to stay that, but sand all this shit, try to make the nuts look nice maybe, I don't know. Yeah, tape off the chain, the sprocket, I already got the engine. Right now I'm gonna, well, I still got a couple chops that are taking a second to cook. They're on the top rack right now. And they're getting brown, because they're taking so long to get 160 in the middle. That pork temp, you didn't know, now you know. But yeah, once dinner is done, I'm gonna start sanding on that. But I was getting way too carried away without updating anybody, so I just wanted to make sure that everybody was gonna be up to date with me here. This is primed. Pretty sure I showed that in the last video. And I didn't do anything more on that, but that was kind of getting boring to me. So I just ADHD full blast and just flipped scripts. This isn't for painting, like the tape off. That right now is just for sanding. So yeah, I was just kind of saying that because a little piss poor job there. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to finish making dinner and then we're gonna come back out here and we're gonna start sanding. Yeah, sanding! I love sanding. Update time. I've been at it for a little bit. Dinner was hella good. Pork chops, mashed potatoes, put some bacon bits, a little shredded cheese, a little sour cream, some green beans. Sheesh. Alright, so I got the light fucking blasting at this thing, helping me out here. Lots of little rough spots, like in the little crevices, like that. So I'm gonna have to tackle those with hand sand. A lot of the big shit. Hoping that this doesn't get surface rust overnight. Really hoping it doesn't. It's not that moist in here, so I don't think it will, and I'm gonna be right back at it tomorrow. For me to tape this off and spray it all tonight and sand, hand sand all the crevices and shit and clean it and stuff, that's just not practical, so. But that's what I'm doing. Now I'm gonna start hand sanding the crevices because I got all the big stuff already. All right, we have been at it for quite some time. And I'm gonna blow this thing off. And see what I'm working with. Okay, so I blew it down. I sanded it pretty much to the best of my ability. I feel like I look crazy right now for some reason. So it's kind of just like, I don't know if I don't have the right tool to get in some of the crevices or if I don't have the patience to do it. Either or is what it is. I mean, that's kind of what the fuck it was before this, and I sanded it and it looks 10 times better now, so. That's an update from me. I know it's a really salty, sore attitude, but I just want to ride my four-wheeler, but I want it to look nice, so yeah. I'm gonna wipe it down now and quit yapping. Okay, It's all taped off. I hustled my ass to get here. I don't even know what time it is. I gotta go inside and take a shower still. Make it work. 9:35. Wow, really pushing it. So I'm just gonna hurry up and throw, I want it to be gloss, but I got flat black and it's paint and primer. And I don't have any other primer left, so I'm gonna hurry up and just a little bit of here and there. That's what I'm gonna do tonight. I'll go ahead. I don't even know if you could hear me talking over shaking that idiot, but I'll go ahead and just pick this up tomorrow when I go buy semi-gloss paint and actually paint the frame. Well, I know I said I'd catch up in the morning, but I just went ahead and tossed 2 layers of flat black on here. Pretty fucking heavy, honestly. So I guess if I do like the flat black, then maybe I'll run that. But I did want gloss. Maybe I won't be picky. It's just what I had on the shelf and it was free then. Paint I needed to use up. So I'm gonna head in. I am filthy now. I will catch you guys tomorrow. It's the next day. We just got back from the old quick trip. It was the fiance's mom's birthday. We got her some beer, some flowers, some candles, some balloons. I walked through a cobweb and fucking shut me right down, swear to God. Okay, so we got the dust and shit under wraps here. And update on me saying that I was gonna respray it. I like the flat black for some reason. Kind of just coming at me heavy. I like it. Looks good. Fuck it, we're gonna keep it. I wanted to paint the rims black. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna paint them the same silver as the plastic. I don't know yet. Maybe get some chrome paint. Maybe just bomb the rims, get different ones. I don't know yet. I'm not sure. But I want to untape the frame now and we can go ahead and do that together. There she be with all of her glory. Repainted. We got a couple fucking uglies. Not on the frame, but like I'm saying, you know, like the shocks, they're a little rusty. Sprocket back there is a little rusty. There's things that I can obviously do to it over the winter. It's still nice out, so like I definitely want to ride my quad. I just didn't want it to look like poop, you know. So we're freshening her up. We're giving her a little spunk. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do next, because I have to go out to dinner with the fiance and her family. So I don't know if I'm gonna start sanding right away or what, but no matter what I do, you guys will know. All right, well, I guess might as well just pick something and sand it, right? Like just kind of start doing that. So Simon says, you. We got the handlebars all sanded up. A little rust dust on them still. Gotta just alcohol wipe them. We are going to move on to the brake lever. The G just got a fresh wash. The BMW just got a fresh wash. I just got back from eating dinner, and the reason why the cars got washed is Polo's gonna buff them tomorrow while we're at work. But I'm gonna keep sanding stuff. Woo, sanding.
Look at this.
Look, we got Colin wiping down. Stroking. Big whining over here.
Boy, he needs more sand.
More sand, he says. Which we could give it that, but then you gotta wipe it again.
Just grab a pocket full of sand and throw it at it.
More sand.
Pocket sand.
I'll give you more sand. Okay, so I don't know how long this video is gonna be, and I don't want to drag it out, and I can always just make another one. So we got the exhaust here waiting for Polo tomorrow. Peyton's gonna pull the BMW in, park it there. I'm gonna pull the G behind it. Polo's gonna come here. He's gonna buff both the cars tomorrow. I already talked about that. We got the floor looking. What?
Shitbox buff.
Shit box buff for sure. We got the floor slimmed down because that's how many parts we got prepped tonight. The middle bar, the kickstand. These are to hold the handlebar guards, the handlebars themselves, the bash bar. Yeah. So we're cruising along on that. I'll just continue that in the next video. And that's all I got for tonight. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. 450 subscribers, you guys. 450, that's bonkers. We're shooting for 500. Maybe we'll do something cool for 500. Stay tuned.